Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from the Deep Discounts Club. And today we are taking a look at this electronic door lock deadbolt. So as you can see here, this comes with the actual handle to open up the door. And then it comes with the deadbolt and this electronic combination lock. Let's go ahead and open it up. Right off the bat, we'll get the user manual. We will get this little support card here. If you have any questions, you can just contact them. You can also get this gift if you just ask. You've got this drill diagram here. And a packing list of everything that is inside the box. So it comes with all the bolts. It comes with some keys, as you can see here. And that's mostly it. Here are the accessories. There's gonna be lots of these. Here is the actual little piston. The keys. A pencil so you can go ahead and draw the diagram on your door of where to drill. We've got something kind of big here. All right, this is actually what turns. You can go ahead and lock your door from the inside. As you can see the wiring there. Basically this thing will automatically lock once you enter in the code, so that's what you need all those electronics for. And this takes 4 batteries. Comes with a Phillips head screwdriver. And here is the keypad itself. This looks very sleek. Nice and easy to press the numbers. The numbers are backlit, so at night you don't have to worry about that. It also has an indicator light here. And you've got some bolt action there, the electronics behind. The cool thing about this is that they have this anti-peeking software, so you can actually enter some random digits and then enter your code, just in case someone's behind you. You don't want them to know the code. Right here is the handle from the inside. Very sleek, modern, black kind of metallic finish. This is a big thing here. This is the handle from the outside. Everything's moving quite nicely. As you can see, that turns very nice. And then finally, you've got the deadbolt here. And that's it. So this makes it overall pretty clear on how to put this thing together. I'd say the hardest parts are gonna be drilling, no doubt. But the nice thing is you don't need a phone. You don't need any app or anything like that. You can just go ahead and insert the batteries, drill it in, set your code, and you're ready to go. So you can go ahead and take a look at the manual here. It takes AA batteries. That's just about it. Thank you for watching.